How to know if someone blocked you on Android. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you some common signs that someone may have blocked your number on an Android phone. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials. First, open the Messages app on your Android phone. Open a conversation with the person you think may have blocked you. Try sending them a text message. If your sent messages show a red label or receive an error message saying not sent or error sending message, then you are definitely blocked. Another sign is if your messages stay stuck sending with a spinning clock icon and never actually deliver. You can also open the phone app and try calling the person. If your call immediately goes to voicemail, ends instantly, or never rings when it normally used to, that may mean your number has been blocked. Keep in mind, though, these signs are not always guaranteed because issues like no signal, airplane mode, or phone settings can sometimes cause similar behavior. And that's it. Those are some common ways to know if someone blocked you on Android.